Hey there, YouTubers. Welcome to the never-ending summer we got here in Indiana. This is crazy. I'm sick of this hot weather. So this is a little update on the our kennel here. It's also an update on the rock solid floors that look like crap. The rock solid's just not cutting it on these floors. So what we have going, I just got back from Rural King and I bought some this rubber flooring. This is a 1/4 inch. It's 4 foot wide. It actually measures out to about 49 inches, which does us a little better. It's like 51.5 inches wide in here. And it's 5 foot long, so I'm cutting them into 5 foot strips and then just cutting the hole out for the drains. And hopefully that'll do a little bit. I mean, you can tell we don't even have dogs in here yet, and this flooring's all, look at that. We put that in here yesterday. Sweet. So anyhow, yeah, this rock solid just not working out good in here. You can see, I mean, anything that gets on it, it's stained. So we are going to put this rubber matting stuff down, and then when it gets dirty, we'll just take it outside and hose it off and clean up the floor, then put it back down. Hopefully that will work pretty good. That's what I got going. They come in a 25 foot roll, so I got one 25 foot roll and then one other, hello ladies, one other 5 foot piece that they cut at the store, and of course it's not square, so I've got it in the end kennel there, and I squared it up a little bit, but it's still not real good. But so these, I'm trying to get them as square as possible here. You guys are going to have to look out. Look, that's Marilyn Manson right there. Woo-hoo. Double check some measuring. These dogs have left me alone the whole time, but as soon as I start talking to the camera, here they come. They think it's playtime. Now I get some measurements in here, so I hit the hole. And there it is. It's not perfect, but I think it'll work. Oh, and it's about time to put some dogs in here. It's nice in here, and it is in the house, I think. So guys, thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe, and we will catch you later.